Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how to email customers on Shopify. As an owner of an online store, you will need to send different kinds of emails to let your customer know what's going on with their order, whether it be an order confirmation email, a payment verification email, and a like. These emails are actually created within Shopify. Those are created for you, which you can readily use, or you can actually add an integration down the line. Now, first, let me show you where you can find all the different emails within Shopify. From your Shopify admin page, go to Settings on your bottom left corner, and then scroll down a little bit and look for Notifications. Click on that. Here you can see different emails that your Shopify sends when a particular action is done to the order. So there are email orders, email for shipping, local delivery, and so on. You can even customize the look and feel of these emails for a personal touch. Now let's take for example the first one, order confirmation. Go ahead and click that. You'll be shown a preview on what the email looks like. And then if you want to do some changes, just go ahead and click edit code. So again, this is coding. Now there is also an option for you to integrate a more thorough and professional email marketing platforms. All you got to do is open the Shopify App Store and on the search bar, just type in email and then it should show you a list of email marketing platforms that you can use. And all you have to do is just click one and click the Add App button to add to your Shopify.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.